All right, team, secure the forward lines. We have a narrow window.
Copy that. Moving the sonar array now.
The anomalies are stabilizing at bearing 090.
Confirmation. Rerouting the main camera array now.
This section here, the ROV'd feed shows significant buckling. We have to prioritize securing this area.
Copy. Copy that.
Secure the starboard pontoon.
Starboard secured, moving to the main winch.
Buoyancy check complete. All gauges in the green.
Roger that. Lead. Ready for deployment on your mark.
Cables 3 and 4 nearing maximum tolerance.
The depth gauge hasn't moved, we're still stuck.
Maintain current pressure. Do not exceed 2500.
We got it! Yes! What an achievement! It's beautiful!
Lowering speed 5 meters per minute. Keep it steady.
Copy that. Watching the starboard side clearance. Looking good.
Noters. We need to prioritize the structural integrity of the main wing connection points.
The data confirms stress fractures here. We'll need a full...
The stress fractures here correlate exactly with the schematic on the monitor.
Yes, the rudder mechanism shows similar fatigue.
A systematic approach is crucial. Red indicates replacement needed, yellow signifies repair, and
We need to detach the starboard wing section first. The stress points are highlighted here in red.
Agreed. Ensure the cargo bay is fully secured before proceeding.
Your dedication is essential. We are on schedule, but the upcoming tasks require absolute precision.
Cable tension holding steady at 50%.
Acknowledged. Continue ascent, very slow and controlled. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Jacks 1 and 2, retracting 5 millimeters.
Confirmed. Laser alignment holding steady.
These stress fractures are critical.
The degradation is significant.
And the corrosion is spreading rapidly. We must reinforce the spars.
We have to be extremely careful bridging the new harness to the original connector housing. The tolerances are very tight here.
The pressure levels are critical here. We need precise alignment during the installation process to ensure
Coming loose now, watch the edge.
Clear. Bring it over here gently.
Applying the final torque now.
Confirmed. 500 Newton meters achieved.
Secure. Moving to the next bolt.
Look at that flow rate, perfectly optimized.
The pressure is holding steady, too. The upgrades were definitely worth it.
The sensor array is connected to the digital input block.
Confirmed. Uploading the new parameters now.
All right, easy on the lowering, we're almost aligned.
Confirmed. Checking sensor array connection on port side.
Stable thrust achieved.
The restoration is a success.
RPMs are steady at 90%. Thrust is nominal. Temperatures stabilizing across the board. Line it up with the laser grid. Almost there. Hold it steady right there. Lock the clamps now.
Does this match the diagram for the port stabilizer connection?
Yes, the voltage is correct according to the tablet.
Okay, running the calibration sequence now. Actuators engaging. Aileron response is smooth. Confirmed. All parameters nominal. Okay, pump it up. Got pressure? Yeah, steady now. Looks good. Harness 7 is secured. Check the torque on that coupling.
Reading green. The airflow looks optimized now.
It's incredible how well the new glass fits the original panel.
Yes, all systems are green, ready for calibration.
Calibration sequence initiated. Alignment check on Sector 4.
Alignment confirmed. Readings are stable.
Watch the starboard side clearance, it's tight.
I see it. Operator, slow the traverse rate by 5%.
Roger that, slowing down. We have full synchronization across the grid.
Sub-millimeter precision achieved. Ready for the next phase.
Approaching target position. Check starboard alignment.
Starboard clear. Locking sequence initiated.
Check. 350 done.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Maintaining pressure at 50,000.
Alignment is good. Proceed with the next micro adjustment.
Bring it down slowly, watch the port side. Steady, steady. A little to the right. Clear on my end.
Hit it again, full power.
Check your pressure.
Confirmed. This section is secure.
Initiating extension sequence.
Downlocks engaged. Green status.
Retraction cycle starting now.
Pressure looks stable at 10,000 psi.
Good. Check valve 49er is secured.
Ground control, this is the Caspian Sea Monster. Radio check on channel 3.
Pilot, this is ground. Reading you loud and clear. Signal strong.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. System engaged.
Roger that. Ejection seat pins confirmed, removed, and stowed. Green across the board.
Clear on the left, keep it coming slow.
Copy that. Speed holding steady.
Watch the starboard wingtip, clearance is tight.